Now see here, if you have got vector A is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, vector B is equal to minus I cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap, you have to find the value of magnitude of A cross B. So we have used here now the formula, that is a determinant form. Directly we have written here A cross B, here I, j and k cap, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 from here. First I have multiplied here 1 into minus 2, so that is a minus 2 and I cross j is written k cap. Then plus, we have done here 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and this is j cross I is minus k cap, plus 2 into minus 2, that is a minus 4, j cross k is I cap, and here minus 1 into minus 2 is 2 and k cross j is here I cap, minus I cap, plus then I have done 1 into minus 2 is a minus 2, but it is I cross k is minus j cap, and then I have done here minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1 j cap. Now we can write, see this term of the k cap, so k cap is minus 2 plus 2, that is 0 here, plus this is I cap and this is minus I cap, so we can write here minus 6 I cap, and here j cap we can take common, this is minus minus plus, so it is here 2 plus 1 j cap. Now in this case here we can take its magnitude, so the magnitude will be here, you have got A cross B is equal to minus 6 I cap plus 3 j cap, so its magnitude is equal to under root of minus 6 square plus 3 square, that is equal to 45 of under root. So this is the magnitude of the cross product of two vectors.